Instagram is more than just a social media platform for sharing photos and videos. It can also be a great way to earn money online. Here are some tips on how to monetize your Instagram account. First, you need to set up your Instagram account. Make sure to fill out your profile completely and add a profile picture. This will make your account look more professional and attract more followers. The next step is to grow your Instagram following. The more followers you have, the more opportunities you have to earn money. Post quality content regularly and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. This will help build a community around your account and keep your followers coming back for more. Once you have a substantial following, you can start monetizing your Instagram account. There are several ways to do this, such as promoting products or services, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Sponsored posts are when a brand pays you to post content featuring their products. Make sure to disclose sponsored content to your followers by using the hashtag ad or hashtag sponsored hashtags. You can also promote your own products on Instagram, such as digital products or merchandise. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's products and earn a commission for any sales made through your unique referral link. With dedication and hard work, you can earn money online through Instagram.